right, good morning, members. I wanted to just point out a couple things I want to make sure is on the chart. I didn't look at the chart all weekend long, so I'm up early this morning doing all my high time frame markings. Two things I want to make sure comes to your attention are these two sets of single prints that occurred RTH on Friday. The overnight high got close to testing this first set of single prints, but did not actually test them. And by the way, testing in the overnight session does not count. It needs to be tested in RTH. Second thing I want to bring your attention to, let's go to the weekly chart. I think this is even more interesting to me. So on the weekly chart, you've got this high. You got a up candle, so the close is at the body. You've got a down candle here, the close is here. You got a down candle, the close is here. If you look at these numbers between 99 and 19, you have a whopping 20-point range. Yeah, 20 points, exactly. Somewhere in there, come on. Right there, 20-point range. We got FOMC this week. Will we break out of this tight little range? Now, you can see we've got these big wicks, and that's just really crushing traders, but luckily we've got a trend system that really keeps us on side. So, tight 3-week range plus FOMC this week. We went up 70 points on Thursday. We came back down 70 points on Friday. Buckle up. It should be quite a week. See you on Zoom in a couple hours.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.